everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete games on your PS4 so you can save up some hard drive space. So just go over the game on home screen here and we can press options on it and we can simply just go on over to where it says delete. And then we can delete it right there. So that's one way to do it. So the second way to do it so we can delete multiple games is going up to settings, going down to storage, and we can click into storage and wait for this to calculate. So we can see the free space, themes, save data, capture gallery, and the applications are gonna take the longest. So I'm just waiting for that. And then we can click into here and we can delete multiple games at the same time. And we can see the data breakdown. So I got 1 terabyte of data on here. So let's go into here now and then choose the game. So I got PT still on here. Call of Duty is taking up a lot of space. Elder Scrolls Online, Rocket League, Media Player, etc. So let's press options and go to delete. And then we can just choose the games. So I'm going to delete Battlefield 2042 on my PS4. And then maybe Sonic Forces or something like that. I might actually play that. So we can just pick some of these games. Let's go to Genshin Impact. And then go to delete right here. And then go to OK. And that is deleted off my PS4 now. So what if we want to download the game again in the future? So after this gets done deleting, I'm just going to cancel that out because it's taking too long. We want to go back to the home screen on our PS4 and we can go on over to the library and we can re-download the games under our account. So this is actually really easy, and my PS4 is becoming a little bit slower nowadays, so I have a PS5 and I'm happy using that. But on the home screen here, let's go on over to library and scroll on down to where it says purchased. And the purchase section is where we can find our games now, and then we can just re-download them. So we can just go to here, A to Z, or we can just go to search library on the top. So if you're trying to find a game that you bought, go ahead and go to this section. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.